Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh, co-founder of TickerPlant, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 30th April 2021. In the international market, the US Commerce Department said first quarter US GDP rose 6.4% versus 6.5% expected by economists. With the optimism on economy, US 10-year advanced and closed at 1.65 percentage points and 30-year closed at 2.31 percentage points on Thursday. In Germany, annual consumer price index inflation CPI accelerated to 2.1 percentage points in April, exceeding the market expectations and advancing further above ECB's target of close to but below 2%. The German 10-year is now at minus 0.19 percentage points. Did you know that German 10-year bonds on 30th April 2020, exactly 1 year back, were at minus 0.59 percentage points and now at minus 19 percentage points? That is a 40 basis point increase from the pandemic lows, and yields are expected to further grow up as the economy is becoming strong. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $68.4 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 66 to 69. The current oil demand is firm and we are looking at $70 per barrel very soon. Though we already have booked our profits at $65.7 per barrel, we will not shy away to buy once the easing of oil production cuts are in place and its impact is known. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 90.62. We see DXY's range today as 90.40 to 90.91. DXY is weak but consolidating near 90.40-45 region. For DXY to go around 90 levels, the 90.40 has to be breached convincingly. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 647. USD INR with a high of 74.23 closed at 74.07. USD INR's range for today seems to be 73.90 to 74.40. Remember, USD INR has already marched towards 74. Now, Knight Research expects the journey to 73.50 will be a slow one with trading in a very narrow range. In the domestic market, finally the expected 10,000 crore operation twist has been announced after the market hours yesterday. RBI will purchase 697 2026, 717 2028 and 585 2030 for a cumulative rupees 10,000 crore. Remember, we had reported in the last T-bill auction that RBI had purchased a lot of T-bills via public sector banks. They are now put to use for this operation twist sale. 563 2026 closed at 560 versus 558 the previous trading day. 585 2030 closed at 606 versus 605 the previous trading day. Public sector banks sold rupees 2,479 crore net GSEC. Watch out, 585 GS 2030 auction cutoff for rupees 14,000 crore in today's GSEC auction. As operation twist of rupees 10,000 crore has been announced, markets will be relieved at the opening but will come under pressure once the auction starts. Auction cutoff will decide the next course of action. RBI will want cutoffs near 603 and markets will want 610 and above. The possibility of one more cancellation of bids, positive signal for the market, or devolvement on PDs, negative signal for the market, can't be ruled out. Knight Research team will be available with expected cutoffs by 10:40 am. If you have not carried out HTM AFS shifting yet, please do so. If you need any help in carrying out the shifting by calculating the potential impact on your IDR or provisioning given a potential rising yields by up to 50 basis points, do let Knight Research team know. You can reach out to us at research@knightfintech.com or at 9930307466. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh, co-founder of TickerPlant. See you next week with a new episode of Night Snippets.